Yeah, Andra, the ring I'm gonna put on your finger to engage to you. Do you like the ring?
Hey guys, wait. Before we get into this video, I want you to go over to the SNG family and show them some love. Guys, go over there, subscribe to their YouTube channel, Lovely Couple. Listen, when you can go over there, go get something for laugh about. I'm gonna put their link in my description box and I'm also gonna pin it in my comment section. Click on the link, go over there, support them and tell them say Andra send you. You're not regret it. Trust me, I'm me tell you, you're not regret it. Let's get into this video. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Andra went in the bathroom. No, I see a prank. Yes, Vlogmas day 17. I'm gonna go on like a prank. So everybody in my inbox, Andra, prank Tracy so you lose the ring. Prank Tracy about the ring. Prank Tracy about the ring. And it's time. So I have two ideas in my head, right? May I try to think which one I do. I feel like say, I go wear it on my chain. Yeah, I go turn it in a pendant. I go just have it there, and if I'm asking about it, I go say, why different? That I don't know I'm provoking. I don't know I'm provoking. So I go just take off the ring off of my finger, put it on my chain. Hopefully it can hold. I feel like he can do. I just have it there as a pendant. I don't know how I catch him attention. I know. I just don't know. So let's get into this video. Wait, what? Oh, alright. Jason, empty out the box there for me in a garbage on the front, please. You know, come back? Lord God. The box there with the garbage then. Just empty it out in the garbage for me. Thanks. You go for your mommy now? Yeah. Alright. The garbage bin full? Eh? Yeah.
Make sure I'm putting any CD in this thing.
It?
Yeah. If funeral we did do.
If you are the penny?
I want to put it already.
Come here.
You want me to leave it with the key? Alright.
What? No, let the keys over there, babe. You don't say me not like when you lock up over there and go because what if me have to walk there?
That's true, but you have two sides.
Yeah, but what if something happen and this me have to walk?
What about that you have to walk there?
Come here.
Incident.
You want to go to Queen?
No, what the frig are going there? So, babe, no. Babe.
What?
Babe, so you really feel I'm going to say that? No, babe, come on. Look at man. Babe, they tell me say you know where you kind of want to bleach. Because you know you have it on your chain. Babe, no, sir. When you hear somebody me and I tell me say, babe, when I get married,
but why different?
When you never know say you want me married if you put ring on your damn chain. No, babe, I don't rate that. Yo.
Just a minute, see difference with wearing it on my chain. It's still a part of me.
Yeah, it's me never bother with arguing this man. Look, I mean, no, we are raised a voice on the right thing. We are wearing.
Babe, it's still a part of me. It's on me. It's on me.
If you are going to argue with me over stupid things, babe.
You know from when me ring the radio, so? I know you just see it.
You just see it. Why you ring it on your chain? I don't understand this at a blow. You know, say, alright. I never know, say, ring me for chain or ring me for finger. That's what I have to ask you. When you see really how your finger ring on him chain, you know why you wear on him chain, you know. You never hear a story behind it. I must follow you off on that.
Why difference though? You just want to argue with me.
You know what? I could marry over my church like what they don't use ring. You don't have to do that again. Just know, so I don't know what them say they do, them pray or whatever. Just call it so. I could marry over my church. We don't have to use no ring. I don't know what kind of style like this. Alright, suppose you see me put my ring now. Suppose you see me put my ring now. Papa on a car key.
Because, no, not on the car key, but
no, but that's the same thing apart of me too. Babe, I can't believe, I don't understand this, babe. I don't understand you put ring on somebody's finger for them put it on chain or them neck. One, you know, have a pride. You know, have a pride for wear on your finger. You feel how you about it, babe?
I don't see where big deal.
No.
I don't see where argument for. I just don't see. I just not see where argument for.
Babe, I ask you one question. I'm going to be
question.
Oh, so you don't care?
It's not a matter.
No, you don't friggin' care. You don't care. You don't care.
Whoa.
No, I ask you a question. You don't care. You can't answer, you know. I tell you, we don't have married with none, you know. We don't have married on at all if you don't wear a ring on your finger. I never put it on your finger for you put your own chain, my girl. Then I say, I take serious now. You know me take marriage serious. I'm going to put a ring on your finger, you put it on your chain, and I'm going to tell me, say, I'm part of you. Alright, I'm going to put mine on the friggin' like them fee car or fee girl.
No, you blow it to proportion, because why would you do that? It's my chain that I wear every day.
No, I like invite my mother in a certain amount of business, but I'm going to ask her, what should I do if she has somebody married and he have a key? Because she did marry already, me need to ask her. I'm going to ask Miss Desiree to for your opinion because seem like say, yo, sometimes if you wonder if miserable people feel like miserable. Because that's the issue, you know, man for just do everything, man for talk. What you ring I do on your chain, babe? On your chain? On your chain, babe?
Oh my God, my inner hurt.
I can't tell you no more. So I go for mine.
Jason, me a call you now. Jason, I'm calling you. Jason, me a call. Babe, come here. Babe. Jason, come here.
No, you're nothing, man.
Jason, come here.
No, you're nothing. We don't want to hear nothing. You cannot, you know, bro, if you fling you right now, I don't care. I already hurt my feelings in that man. I never know to put friggin' ring on your finger for you. Come like that, you know, say, yo, a joke you take me for, babe.
Come pull the chain.
Never ask something.
Come pull the chain for me.
Babe, a joke you take me for.
Just come.
You can never ask you.
No, babe, I'm
you know,
sorry.
Say, you know, you get pissed off. You answer things I'm going to ask you. I ask you again. A joke you take me for?
No.
When the chain on your part, when the ring on your chain.
I never know if that cause a problem.
You better me wake up this morning and see on the fridge top and I know say clean up your house, my girl. You know what? Oh, bad. Right now, enough of my ex would even believe somebody get married to blow. I'm saying if settle down and find the one to backside and the one I'm find for them ring. Pan chain. A joke thing you take me thing for bro. Watch what? I don't want 100,000 pay for your engagement ring, you know. So I don't know if that making evaluate, you know. Are that making evaluate? You know evaluate. You know, no, me never ask you. Honest, babe, honest. God over me that everything on my body right now, babe. You know, me never ask you, stop answer what me not ask you. Babe, you know evaluate?
Yes, I do.
Babe, ask you again.
I do.
Let me ask me question. Yanja, the ring, I'm gonna put on your finger to engage to you. Do you like the ring? Do you hate the ring? Do you have a problem with the ring?
Babe, stop. I love the ring.
So
I saw the style and I think it.
This is a girl that tell me say this style. My God. Bumbo clad. You don't follow too much. Go stop.
Jesus! A prank, sir. Sorry.
Not for my man. Because you know me not doing a joke with them thing there. I'm really a joke with them. I see myself. You Yo, me tell you my make the big in my man, you make me drive on.
Come here.
Let me go here.
Come here.
Let me go with me and bring a piece.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
So you come, I'm sorry, you have a big ring on you, you're going to chill the same way. I'm not pulling nothing, man.
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm not do it again.
Yeah, that's the girl. Yeah, that's the girl.
Alright guys, so just reached back in. Jason gone collect him mommy. So really and truly I me keep up him time with the prank here. Oh, him upset. But I'm glad me get him good because let me tell you something. Jason now go and good from what here. I mean I don't want nobody come to me and talk about Andrew, oh you should do it da. You know see Jason prank upon me. I need to take off this right now because I always see people wear pendant. Ring on chain. You know me never like it. Not a fan. But Jason don't know me. Me keep on ask myself them question here. Jason don't know me. Why Jason would I think say me would I wear my ring on my chain as a style? But yeah guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 50K. Thank you guys for always supporting me. Remember to like. Don't watch the video and like it. Please guys, like up the video. Bye guys.